Cause I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came. Girl.
What is it? Go! Oh. We love you. We love you.
Thank you so much.